Hi, Scott from LJ's Kitchens here. We're here to talk about premium countertops and why we do what we do. The templating of a countertop, either it be a granite or a quartz or any of our premium type tops, has kind of evolved over the years. I mean, we went from just measuring it with a tape measure, and now we've kind of evolved to laser templates. Quite costly when it comes to purchasing the equipment to do that, but the reason we do is by using the laser and measuring, let's say approximately every 6 or 8 inches along the wall, it will actually pick up on any variation that we have along that wall span. So if your wall does, snakes along there, which I guess we don't always realize, but once we get in there to actually measure, we find out how unsquare things really can be. This allows us to get a perfect matchup to the wall so that when this information is downloaded to the computerized cutting machinery, we get a perfect cut every time because it will follow actually the digital template that was created at the job site. So we get a very, very accurate countertop fit, even though maybe the wall isn't perfectly square. So to give you a great example of an unsquare corner, we have one in our showroom that unfortunately is not real good, but it's great for showing this example. We're gonna take a square, we're gonna line up on the back wall, and we're gonna feed it into that corner, and you'll actually see how far out it is in the front and the big bow that's in the center of it. But by doing that with a laser, we can actually follow that contour, so when we bring the countertop back, we'll get a much nicer fit. One of the good reasons to work with LJ's Kitchens is we've tried to do our homework and pick the very best fabricators that we have available in the state of Michigan. And by doing so, we get that high-tech digital template, we get the CNC computer cutting system at the shop when it's being fabricated, as well as we're getting some of the very best installers out on the job site. So we are taking care of, from start to finish, getting that countertop measured, fabricated, and installed in your house. So if you're looking for a premium countertop, please stop by or call us at LJ's Kitchens and we'll be happy to get things set up.